On the control panel of RCS12, you see an LCD touch screen, an output, an input and a USB connector for dumping data on a laptop. On the front screen, you see various options which are available on RCS12 for frequency. You can adjust the current frequency directly from the keyboard or using the up and down steps. Power is also indicated on this screen. You have other options like RF sweeper, power meter, attenuation, AM modulation, pulse modulation, frequency modulation, and stepper control. On RF sweeper screen, you have options to set start frequency, end frequency, step time, step size, and the current frequency when the sweeper is running will be shown in this particular window. On power meter, you have various options like power meter, current frequency, memory locations, location where the data is being stored, and trigger options for frequency and for stepper. You have two options for selecting internal trigger or external trigger. For an attenuation scheme, you can select high attenuation or low attenuation. Similarly, on AM modulation, you see the current frequency which is being used for modulating the signal. Number of cycles, you can select the continuous amplitude modulation or a burst modulation. Similarly, on pulse modulation scheme, the on time for pulse, off time for pulse, number of pulses being used, and similarly you have options for burst modulation or continuous modulation. On FM modulation, we have options for selecting internal modulation, external modulation, or mic as a source for modulating the frequency. On the stepper screen, you have options to control the stepper motor, like you can set the endpoint, step time, step size, time taken to execute a step, dwell time, number of cycles, and hold time. We have also start and stop buttons, reset positions, up and down manual buttons. To take a plot, go to the power meter screen, select internal trigger as a trigger source, start the auto stepper, go back to main menu, open the stepper control screen, click on the start button to start the motor. Make sure that your endpoint, step size and step time are correct as per your requirement. Then click on the start button. As soon as you click on the start button, motor start rotating and current position be displayed on the screen. When motor stops, go back to the power meter screen, stop the auto stepper. As you can see, memory options has incremented to 72. As we have selected 5 dB as a step size, for 360 it takes 72 steps. Now click on the memory button and select the dumping data option. Now, when you have selected the dumping data, open the Amitech Polar Plot system on laptop. Click on this read data button. Select the COM port. Make sure you cross check the COM port from the property in my computer. Select the COM port and select the file system. Make sure you select the same file system on the system and also on the instrument. As we have selected legacy as a file system format, click on enter. Then at the same time click on the legacy format on dump data screen. Upload data will start, and upload data please wait window will appear on the instrument. Wait for the data to be completed. When data uploading is complete, a pop-up window will appear on your computer. Enter the file name like test2 or some as per your need. Click on OK button. This is the plot. This is your final plot.